Antonio Luna, General Antonio Luna Life Story. Buhay ni General Antonio Luna. Antonio Narciso Luna de San Pedro y Novicio Anchieta was born on October 29, 1866 in San Nicolas, Manila, Philippines, Spanish Empire. Si Antonio Narciso Luna de San Pedro y Novicio Anchieta ay ipinanganak noong Oktubre 29, 1866 sa San Nicolas, Maynila, Pilipinas, Imperyo ng Espanya. He was the youngest in a family of ilustrados, with his eldest brother being the famous Filipino painter Juan Luna. Antonio moved to Binondo in 1861 when his father engaged in business as a merchant. Siya ang bunso sa isang pamilya ng mga ilustrado at ang kanyang panganay na kapatid ay ang kilalang pintor na si Juan Luna. Lumipat ang pamilya ni Antonio sa Binondo noong 1861 nang magsimula ang kanyang ama ng negosyo bilang mangangalakal. Education and career. Edukasyon at karera. Antonio studied literature and later became a pharmacist. Nag-aral si Antonio ng literatura at kalaunan ay naging parmasutiko. He was also a skilled musician and had a degree in literature. Siya rin ay isang biyasang musikero at mayroong degree sa literatura. He organized a group of fellow sharpshooters known as Luna Sharpshooters and was an expert in fencing and swordsmanship. Nag-organisa siya ng grupo ng mga kapwa mamamaril na kilala bilang Luna Sharpshooters at dalubhasa siya sa pag-eskrima at pakikipaglaban gamit ang espada. Revolutionary era, panahon ng revolusyon. During the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonial rule, Antonio Luna joined the Katipunan, a secret society fighting for independence. Noong Rebolusyong Pilipino, laban sa pamumuno ng mga Kastila, sumali si Antonio Luna sa Katipunan, isang lihim na samahan na lumalaban para sa kalayaan. He was imprisoned for revealing the existence of the Katipunan and the names of some of his friends affiliated with the society. Siya ay nabilanggo dahil sa isinuwalat niya ang pagkakaroon ng katipunan at ang mga pangalan ng ilang kaibigan niyang kasapi sa samahan. After his imprisonment, he atoned for his mistakes and became a prominent figure in the revolution. Pagkatapos ng kanyang pagkakabilanggo, nagsisi siya sa kanyang mga pagkakamali at naging isang kilalang tao sa revolusyon. Philippine-American War. Digmaang Filipino-Amerikano. Antonio Luna played a key role in the Philippine-American War, serving as the commander of the Philippine Revolutionary Army of the First Philippine Republic. Si Antonio Luna ay may mahalagang papel sa digmaang Filipino-Amerikano. Nagsilbing komandante ng hukbong revolusyonaryo ng unang republika ng Pilipinas. He led successful campaigns against Spanish and American forces. Pinangunahan niya ang mga matagumpay na kampanya laban sa mga puwersa ng Kastila at Amerikano. He also published his own newspaper, La Independencia, where he wrote news stories, commentaries, essays, and poetry. Naglathala rin siya ng sariling pahayagan, ang La Independencia, kung saan sumulat siya ng mga balita, komentaryo, sanaysay at tula. Assassination. Pagpatay. General Antonio Luna was assassinated on June 5, 1899 at the age of 32 during the Philippine-American War. Si General Antonio Luna ay pinatay noong Hunyo 5, 1899 sa edad na 32 sa panahon ng digmaang Filipino-Amerikano. The exact circumstances of his death are still debated, with some accounts suggesting he was mistakenly shot by his own troops and others implying he was targeted by his enemies. Ang tiyak na mga pangyayari ng kanyang kamatayan ay patuloy na pinagdidebatihan, kung saan ang ilang ulat ay nagsasabing siya ay aksidenteng nabaril ng sarili niyang mga tropa, samantalang ang iba ay nagpapahiwatig na siya ay pinuntirya ng kanyang mga kaaway. Legacy, pamana. Despite his complex personality and controversial decisions, Antonio Luna is remembered as a brilliant, innovative military strategist, journalist, and pharmacist. Sa kabila ng kanyang komplikadong personalidad at kontrobersyal na mga desisyon, si Antonio Luna ay inaalala bilang isang mahusay at may makabagong estratehiyang militar, mamamahayag, parmasutiko. His legacy continues to be debated among historians, with some viewing him as hero and others as a flawed but ultimately effective leader. Ang kanyang pamana ay patuloy na pinagdedebatihan ng mga historiador, kung saan ang ilan ay tinitignan siya bilang isang bayani, habang iba naman ay nakikita siya bilang may mga pagkukulang, ngunit sa huli ay isang epektibong pinuno. You may want to visit our page on Patreon. It's patreon.com/learntagalogfilipino. Again, that's patreon.com/learntagalogfilipino. Thanks to our supporters, Dangles, Eli Bueno, Jack DeHoog, and Trey.